हेलो एंड वेलकम। आज लेसन नंबर 21 में हम फिर से एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स और हमारे आसपास की जो वस्तुएं हैं उनसे हम नए वर्ड्स कैसे फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, वोकैबुलरी कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं, इस पर चर्चा करेंगे। एंड फ्रॉम दिस लेसन ऑनवर्ड्स आई विल बी यूजिंग मिक्स्ड मीडियम, like I'll be talking in Hindi as well as in English. So from today onwards, and especially for the students of English medium, I would like to say that we have started in these videos some vocabulary enhancement exercises and how to add new words to our vocabulary. We are doing that by means of adding names of animals and birds and things around us. So in that series, that is in lesson 21 now onwards, today we'll be discussing the word kite, K-I-T-E, kite. आज हम kite शब्द की चर्चा करेंगे. Normally the word kite means, or the meaning that we attach to the word kite is the bird that flies high in the sky and that kills and eats animals. In Hindi it is called चील. चील पक्षी कहते हैं. चील पक्षी से हम कितने शब्द बना सकते हैं? How many words can we form? Or what are the words and phrases that are associated with the word kite? Kite शब्द के साथ क्या क्या और शब्द जुड़े हुए हैं? तो पहला शब्द तो हमने देखा कि kite, the kite as a noun means the bird, चील in Hindi, which flies high in the sky and which eats and kills animals and insects and all that. Second word from kite is kite fly. Now, kite flying doesn't mean to fly kite on the roof and terraces. It doesn't mean that. It is one of the meanings, but it's not the sole meaning. When I say go and fly kite or kite flying exercise, something like that, kite flying exercise to begin with, it means the act or the news which is spread to find out people's opinion on a subject or a topic. काइट फ्लाइंग का मतलब होता है हम जब किसी विषय पे लोगों की राय शुमारी करना चाहते हैं तो हम उस विषय को फेंकते हैं, है ना, तो उसको हम कहते हैं काइट फ्लाइंग. Let's have an example. These rumors of the new political party are just a kite flying exercise. These rumors have been spread by the political party as part of its kite flying exercise. अर्थात लोगों की विचार, लोगों के ओपिनियन को जानने के लिए कोई हम अफवाह फैलाते हैं, रूमर फैलाते हैं, समाचार फैलाते हैं, तो उसको भी काइट फ्लाइंग कहते हैं. एंड काइट फ्लाइंग मीन्स go flying the kite. The kite, the paper made object which is flown in the sky and for entertainment and all that. Next word that is formed by the word kite is go and fly a kite. When we say somebody go and fly a kite, जब हम किसी को कहते हैं कि जाओ और पतंग उड़ाओ, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है go and fly a kite, जाओ और पतंग उड़ाओ. No, this is not the meaning. It is used to tell someone who is being annoying, who has been disturbing to you, and when we ask him to go away, we say go and fly a kite. Right? Example, don't disturb me, go and fly a kite. The next word is as high as a kite. As high as a kite. It means to behave in a very silly or an excited way, or to feel very happy or very excited. So to express the emotions of excitement or happiness, we use the phrase as high as a kite. I am giving you two examples. दो उदाहरण से देखते हैं. I tried to talk to her, but she was as high as a kite. Second example, I was as high as a kite when I got a job. जब नौकरी मिली तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड, बहुत ज़्यादा रोमांचित था, तो उसके लिए कहते हैं as high as a kite. The next word is kite itself as a verb. Kite का हम verb के रूप में भी उपयोग करते हैं. How Like kite, kited, kited. We have different forms of verbs of kite. The first form is kite, second form is kited, and third form is also kited. When we say kited, it means it is used as flying high. When somebody flies high, we use the verb kite. Very simple example. The pilot kited the plane for a long time over the mountain. अर्थात बहुत ऊंचाई पर उड़ना उसको भी काइट कहते हैं, है ना. The pilot kited the plane for a long time over the mountain. बहुत ऊंचाई पे उड़ा. And the last word from that we have from the word kite is kite fighting. In Hindi it is called पतंग उड़ाना या फिर पेच लड़ाना जिसको अपन बोलते हैं. In Hindi we say it पेच लड़ाना. Kite which is flown in the sky, when two kites, get indulged or get entangled with each other and their threads get entangled, that is also called kite fighting, which is normally as a practice in North India, especially during Makar Sankranti, when the sun changes its solstice. When the sun changes its solstice, that particular period is called Makar Sankranti. So during Makar Sankranti in northern India, people go upstairs on their roof terraces and then kite fighting is done. So we say children were indulged. Example, the children were indulged in kite fighting. हिंदी में कहते हैं बच्चे पतंगों के पेच लड़ाने में व्यस्त थे. पेच लड़ाना भी kite fighting होता है. So in this lesson today, we will just take the word kite. In the next lesson, we will take yet another word so that you can enhance your vocabulary by the objects, by the things which you see around, and by the names of animals and birds and metals also. Till then, goodbye.